minutes. Oh, that guy's hating me.
40 po, no? 9 for you.
Look behind you.
9 for 2.
Look in your mirror.
Oh.
Mama's like,
Whoa, there's a lot this time instead of yesterday.
coasting. Yeah, it's coming downhill, coasting.
Like yesterday, but more smoke. Right, Papa?
Cruising. See, that's to Piroc
Yeah.
something. Assigned to some other Piroc. That's San Andreas. And then here, the next one will be Sampad, the little blue sign. But it's not open yet.
Nakabidyo ka?
They made the road smooth as can be. Smoother than baby's butt.
Papa.
You'd rather go through San Antonio or here, huh? Here you get
Mana
to your
buka
front
ang
door.
itlog.
San Antonio, you gotta find a ride getting home every time. Chariot. There's Sampad Road.
Kay gabi naman gid yan.
Wait till this,
Gabi na
till this